bum.
Is it going?
Yeah.
No!
I was doing it the other way.
Well,
Oh,
Is the green light on the bottom?
there it goes.
I had to. Well,
Yeah, why?
Fine, I'm not gonna.
My new jacket's for my wife. My new sweatshirt's for my kids.
Is this supposed to be in black and white when I'm looking here?
You're probably going. Mom, hang up!
1989.
Whoa!
You have to move back more because you're
We
really
love
close.
Dad! There is my name, people, right there. Right
She's
there.
Yeah.
not last, but she's not first. And she certainly isn't the worst.
I'm the middle. Whoa, okay. Look at my new skate.
I got everything I wanted this year.
And I got a new bike right over there. And I got some clothes. I got stuffed animal. Big boy, people.
And then this is an immigrant tape. I'm so excited.
Yeah, look at big boy.
I have 400 more clothes over there if you would like to go video them. Right over there. Here, I'll follow you and show
I'm
you
gonna show
around
how to get
my clothes, okay?
No!
Here.
Thank you, dear.
This
Now, you'll put my clothes away.